Hello, in this video I'm going to discuss one of the documents that can be printed for a project into a map web, the package rates. For a project set to invoice package rates, this document is part of the file set, printed and included in the hard copy file. See the tutorial on the file set for more details. To print the package rates, under Project Management, click on Rate Setup. Click Edit and Print. The package rates show the sales rates, what will be invoiced to the client if the project is set to invoice package rates. It is similar to the rates shown on the itinerary, but includes more information. The rates, as on the itinerary, are destined to be seen by the client. The package rates are for internal use only. The header of the document displays the reference, the heading, the duration, the client, the project stage, project, booking request, or confirmed booking. For the rates, it displays the date in, number of packs, rate type, whether per person, single supplement, a reduction, or to share between passengers. Next, the currency, the total cost per person, total sales per person, and markup. The to print column refers to whether or not the rate will be shown on the itinerary. For example, if rates are the same for different dates, it might be best to hide one to avoid repetition. A no here means that it does not show on the itinerary and in rate setup, by default, these rates are also hidden. To see them, tick Show All. The last column, Free on Invoice, applies only in the case of a zero rate. If it is yes, it means the zero rate will appear on the invoice. This function is used when we agree with the client on a zero rate for an aspect of the project and we want this to be clear on the invoice. If it did not appear, it might seem as though the aspect simply didn't apply. An M next to a sales per person rate indicates a manually amended rate. Any note entered in rate setup also appears on the package rates. In a booked project, it also shows the total to be invoiced. For each currency, it shows the total sale invoice amount. For a client with the invoice setup gross net, it also shows the breakdown of total sale, commission, and total invoice. If the passengers in the project are linked to more than one client, the rates are displayed and totaled for each client. Information in this section is ordered by date ascending, backspaces descending, child age ascending, the main period corresponding to the in date and the main backspaces corresponding to the passenger list are indicated with a little pointer. Services as per project are displayed first, followed by the optionals according to their position. In a project for which the passenger names have not yet been entered, the pax numbers and child ages are as entered in rate setup. Once the passenger names have been entered, and for all booked projects, for a single supplement, the pax numbers are from the passenger list, indicating how many passengers it applies for. Here, 3. For children, the ages are as entered in the rooming list. Here, 3 and 7. Package rates are only available for a project set to invoice package rates. If the project is set to invoice detailed rates, no package rates are displayed and there is no option to print them. For a detailed look at the difference between package and detailed rates, see the tutorial on invoicing package rates or detailed rates. Another aspect to be on the lookout for is the validity of the package rates. If they are invalid, other period basis not up to date is indicated. To correct the situation in rate setup, Click Save and Calculate and reprint. The message no longer appears. The package rate is a technical document, not designed to be sent to the client. It is used internally to check the total costs and sales rates and markup and prepare the project for accurate invoicing. And that is it. Thank you for watching.